With the Fluke IRR1-SOL irradiance meter, you can make temperature measurements on a solar panel without needing an external probe, making measuring simpler, faster, and easier than ever. You can't do this with any other irradiance meter. It is enabled by innovative Fluke technology which embeds an internal conductive sensor in the meter. Simply place the meter directly onto the solar panel and wait for the solid reading to display the temperature. You can also use the external probe to measure temperature. Attach the probe to the mini jack socket on top of the meter. An on-screen icon will indicate that the probe is ready. Then place the meter on or beside the panel and connect the suction cup to the back side of the panel to get your reading. Get 4 critical photovoltaic measurements in one easy-to-use tool for surveying, installing, or adjusting your solar installation. The Fluke IRR1-SOL irradiance meter. Visit fluke.com to find out more.